I don't know if we're going to be able to see you. Go up the steps, honey. Go ahead, go up.
Zachary, here.
Here, shine it. Here, let me shine it on him because I don't think... Go ahead, babe.
Go up there. Look up there. Look at the pumpkins. How cute.
Pumpkin's so cute.
Pumpkin's so cute.
Say,
Okay, go ahead. Knock on the door.
go up here and buzz the door. Right here's the buzzer. Say trick or treat.
Treat.
You have to wait till they open the door, baby.
Trick or treat.
Treat. Open the door again.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Say trick or treat.
Treat or treat.
Whoa, hey there! Hold on a sec. You're a New York Giant fan? I'm a Cowboy fan.
Uh-oh.
And this is 49er territory.
We might have to check the candy.
So we're both against the 49ers, right?
High five.
It's a good thing. High five. All right.
Good job.
Okay. Okay. Now here's some Smarties.
Put your bucket out there, sweetie.
Smarties make
That's
it
a
smart.
good boy.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, honey.
Say thank
You're
you.
welcome. All right. Have fun.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. We'll see you later.
Watch your steps, babe. Bye. Thanks.
Watch your step down the stairs.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Yeah.